this video, we will define a zone and learn how to add a zone. Let's first look at what zones are and a suitable use case for zones. A zone allows the customer to segment a site into individual domains on which rules can be applied to permit or deny traffic based on 5-tuple match criteria. Two types of zones can be configured at a site: segments or VPN zones, and DMZ zones. A zone must be created at the customer level and then associated with a site for it to have a presence at the site. Segments are network-level segregation of your LAN. You can use segments to manage traffic by business function, for example, engineering, support, marketing, across multiple sites. Traffic from a segment at a site can access all the networks at the site. A DMZ zone is a special type of zone which has limited access. To add a new zone, log into the MyAryaka portal. Make sure you have read-write access to the MyAryaka portal. Navigate to the Config tab in the top navigation. Go to the Zones tab on the left navigation and click the plus sign. Add the zones and add the local policy. Local policy is a security policy applied at the LAN side perimeter of the ANAP or zone of an ANAP. It acts on the network traffic entering the zone from the LAN of a site. Submit the changes request to Aryaka Support for processing. While the change request is being processed by the support team, the status for the zone is provisioning, and the segment cannot be edited. Thank you for watching our video today. If you have further questions, please click on the Help tab.